Here's a 2018 Acura RDX. It's ready to shoulder your everyday burdens with sophistication and class. It comes with great features you love: auto-dimming rearview mirror, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, integrated navigation system with voice activation, V6 engine, voice activated climate controls, Bluetooth hands-free link, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and front heated and ventilated leather sport seats. Automobile adds, despite the increase in power and cylinder count, the new RDX is more fuel efficient than before. Luxury, performance, Acura. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.